Hi guys! Have you ever wondered why some people build wealth while others stay stuck, even when they earn the same amount of money? The answer isn't a secret investment or a lucky break. It's a simple wealth formula that most people never learn. Stay until the end, because this one idea could completely change how you think about money. Everyone wants wealth, but almost nobody knows the real formula behind it. Money comes in and somehow disappears. Have you ever wondered why? Most people work harder every year, yet their financial life barely changes. It's like running on a treadmill. A lot of effort, but little progress. Advertisements constantly tempt us. They make spending feel like success. Then reality arrives. The wallet feels lighter than expected. At some point, everyone faces a choice: keep consuming or start building. The surprising truth is that wealth grows slowly at first. That's why most people quit too early. Hidden behind every wealthy person is a formula, a simple idea most people overlook. And once you understand it, your entire view of money can change. Here is the wealth formula nobody talks about. Earn, save, invest, then give it time. Most people focus only on earning, but wealth is built when all four parts work together. It doesn't start with millions. It starts with one small decision repeated consistently. Investing is like planting a seed. The results are invisible before they become obvious. Time is the secret ingredient. The longer you stay consistent, the stronger the effect becomes. Eventually, small gains begin to stack. Progress starts accelerating on its own. One person spends every extra dollar, another invests it, and lets time do the work. Wealth is rarely one giant leap. It's thousands of small steps taken without quitting. The goal isn't just money. The goal is freedom, choices, and peace of mind. Remember this simple formula: earn, save, invest, and time. Master these four, and wealth becomes a predictable outcome. So, the wealth formula nobody talks about is simple. Earn more, save consistently, invest wisely, and give it time. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's built through small decisions repeated again and again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more simple lessons on money, psychology, and personal growth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.